I don't think many other universities teach soft robotics at the undergraduate level, and it's a really interesting field to get to know. Soft robotics differs from classical rigid robotics in that the materials you use are soft, or silicone, not plastic like 3D prints. Soft robotics have the benefit over rigid robotics that they have more degrees of freedom in motion, so it really opens up new possibilities. In normal robotics, if you 3D print a part, that's your final part. But in soft robotics, you're usually just making a mold, which then you have to pour in silicone, which comes out as your part.
One thing I liked about this class, we start with few lectures learning about what is soft robotics, and then we start diving into hands-on experience. You try something, it fails, you learn what the problem is, you fix it, and then you try again, and so on. So you really have to be patient with it.
By about week 5, we had to present a project idea that then Dr. Turkov gave us some feedback, some modifications.
He will give you feedback about it, and he will show you what differences you would expect in the outcome.
He's definitely very knowledgeable in the area. Any paper you bring up, he's probably already read it, and he knows it. He has a lot of experience with applications and creating a project and going through with it, so he had a lot of feedback to give.
We wanted to get a final working product. We didn't just want to make an actuator or something that's simple.
So we made a jellyfish-looking robot with 8 actuators that once you put water in them, they would bend down, and the robot could essentially swim like a jellyfish would.
Putting everything together, learned how to seal it, and then put it in the water, and it worked.
Once it works, it's very, very satisfying. And it motivates you to just keep improving, and you keep thinking of, oh, I could have done this better, this differently.
If you're interested about hands-on experience, making something from scratch to end, getting it to work, this is the class for you.